Good morning everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Still it is August the 7th, and let's continue with the cars that I drove, what I think about them a few months later. Next car will be the Hyundai Ioniq Electric. Hyundai Ioniq Electric has a 28 kilowatt hour battery, has a 110 or 120 kilowatt motor. The car itself, for the price, is amazingly comfortable ride. You have great power, acceleration was awesome. In sport mode you have a good amount of torque, and when you drive it, it's, like I said, very comfortable. It has everything, has a lot of features, and if you get the premium version you have even more features that are amazing. So the car itself is great. Charging speed for an older car is amazing, 65 kilowatt, and on a normal charger, 50 kilowatt charger, you get those 49 kilowatt. And what's so good about it is, it sounds weird, the battery is so small that charging to the 94% that it can charge is done very fast. So your charging time is usually never more than, if you drive it in the thing where it goes the fastest, more than 20-25 minutes, maybe 30 if you always, of course, on the CCS charger. So that's okay, but what the problem is, the battery is too small, so your range is from 150, 170 in the winter up to 210 in the summer in perfect condition. So range is too low, even though it's the most efficient car I've ever driven. So even the efficiency with 130 kilometers is great. So highway driving, no problem. But because of the small battery, you don't get far. And they announced a new version of the Hyundai Ioniq with a 39 kilowatt battery, and that's good. But I think when it will arrive next year, it's already outdated. So a Kona and other cars that come out with 60 kilowatt batteries and kilowatt hour batteries and are efficient enough are already better. So I think they're doing the wrong thing. It's maybe not possible and they have to do it that way, but I think a 50 or 60 kilowatt hour battery in that car would be the next game changer because of its efficiency. But maybe it's not possible now to get that big battery in that small car. But overall, charging speed and efficiency and driving wise, it was a great car, and I love driving it. It's a lot of fun. If you go on a road trip, it can be annoying because you have to charge so many times. So if you go 600 kilometers, you will charge 3-4 times to get there. But the charging speed is great, so you won't charge that much. If you've seen my videos on the Hyundai Ioniq, check them out. I drove it to Prague and back for a bit over 400 kilometers, and I had to charge on the way there in Prague and on the way back, so 3 times. But all that time, 20-25 minutes, that's okay for a long trip. But I think that's outdated now. Still, it's a great car, and biggest problem on it that you can barely get it. Has takes a long, if you order one, it takes up a year or so till you get it, and Hyundai is not very good about it. The Kona too, they already said that the time to get the car is just way too long. They have to ramp up the production. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.